Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to locate and how to put a spare tire on a Fiat 500. We had a few comments, people asking us, ladies, how to do that. So today we're going to show you, just in case if you have a flat tire, you know how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Under the driver's seat right there is where the jack is located. Okay, so under the driver's seat, that's where the jack is located. And as you can see, you need to unscrew that thing holding it there. So that's the bag with the jack inside of it. So you need to pull it out of the bag. Okay, you can see you should have the tire tool as well inside of the pack. You'll be able to find it there. Okay, and as you can see, that's the jack and the tire tool as well. Next thing, you need to remove that center cap. We'll be demonstrating on the rear left tire, but it's the same for all four. So you need to go right there with the screwdriver, careful not to damage it. Okay, like that, and you remove it. And now it's the time to get your bolts loose, all four of them. Okay, so that way, because when you jack the car up, the car will not be as safe. So get all four. These ones, as you can see, they're not as tight. They should be a little bit tighter than that. Okay, and now next thing that we need to do, we need to open the trunk, and that's how we access the spare tire. It's actually underneath the vehicle, but there is one cap right here that you need to pull out like that. And you can see your spare tire is actually underneath the vehicle right there. Okay, now you just go with the wrench like that and you turn counterclockwise, and you can see your tire will be going down. Okay, watch that now, a little bit more. Okay, as you can see, your tire will come all the way down until it reaches the ground. Okay, and now, okay, it's almost off the thing now. And now we need to lift the tire up, and you need to make the thing go through the hole like that in an angle. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit of a tight fit, but it will come out from there. And now what you need to do, you need to make sure that you go inside and you go to the right, so you actually get that rope up. And now what you need to do, you need to install the jack right there. And you need to make sure there is a specific place right here on the car. It shows you that arrow. And so you need to make sure that it goes underneath like that in the rail. You can see there is a special place for it. So that way it will not come off the car while you're replacing the tire and fall on you, because it could be very dangerous. And now you just go ahead and you screw to the right until the tire comes off the air. We hope the video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.